Welcome to our maths class, lesson number 2, numbers till 999. In that subtopic, standard form using Maan cards. First of all, we will see the learning objectives of this session or this subtopic. In this session, the student will be able to learn the following. Learn how to express number using Maan cards, concepts in standard notations, expanded notation numbers, converted into standard notation by using place value with the help of Maan card. Children, in previous session we have learned the concept of Maan card to convert the numbers from standard form to expanded form and from expanded form to standard form. Now let's revise it. Today we are going to learn about the place value in the expanded form with the help of Maan card. See children, here I am having the base 10 blocks. This is for 100, this is for 10 and this is for ones. By adding these place value we will get the number. Okay, see here, by adding these place value, this is for 100, this is for 10, this is for 1. By adding the place value of these we will get the number. See here I am having some Maan card which represent the place value of the number. By adding this, see here the Maan card 153. These 3 Maan card I have. I am getting it together, putting it together, then we will get the number. I am getting the number 153. See here 153. The red indicates the ones place, the 3 is on the ones place, the yellow represents the tens place and green represents the 100 place. 1 is on the 100 place, while the actual value of the 1 is 100. See here 100. The actual value of 1 is 100. That's why putting here 100. Now see the value of 5. The value of 5 in 153 is 50. Here I am having some blocks of tens to represent the 50. Okay. The actual value of the 5 is 50. See. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I will put here 50 plus 50. Now on ones place here 3. 3 is there on the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I will put here 3 plus 3. If we are getting together, if I am getting it together, then I will get the number 153. 100 plus 50 plus 3, I will get the number 153. Okay, 150 plus 3, 153, 100, 5 tens means 50, 3 ones, 3, 153. Then same examples we will see here in the next with the help of. In this lesson, you will learn how to read and write number in expanded form by using arrow card or Maan card. Children, yesterday we have learned by taking out the place value with the help of base 10 blocks. Here are the 30 blocks, here are the 4 blocks, 34. Place value by 100, tens and ones. Here we are having the 100 blocks, here 30 blocks, here 4 blocks, 134 blocks. Now we will learn how to take out the place value with the help of arrow card or Maan card. Here I am having the 3 cards, 200, 40 and 3. Arrow card shows the value of a number. Okay. Now by getting it together we will get the number. 358 and 100 as 100 tens and ones. I can break up the number into its parts by using this man card. 3 is on the 100 place, that's why 300. 5 is on the tens place, that's why 50. 8 is on the ones place, that's why 8. 358. By combining it, we will get the standard form of the number, like 358. What's my number? Here I am having the man card 200, 40 and 6. 200, 4 tens, 6 ones. By combining it together, I will get the standard form of the number, that is 246. By combining it, like 200 plus 40 plus 6. What's my number? 453. 400, 5 tens, 3 ones. By combining it together, we will get the standard form of the number, that is 453. Because 4 is on the 100 place, 5 is on the tens place, 3 is on the ones place. By combining it, we will get 553. What's my number? 535. 500, 3 tens, 5 ones. By combining it together, we will get the standard form of the number, that is 400 plus 30 plus 5. Same numbers, different values. Here we are having some numbers, 435, 453. Here are the numbers are the same, but their place value are different because their position is different. Because here 5 is on the tens place and here 5 is on the ones place. Okay. Again we will see some examples. Here I am having card of 400. One card of 400. What does the 0 mean here? 4 is on the 100 place. 0 on the tens place. 0 on the ones place. 0 is a number. What's my number? 760. 706 tens. By combining it together, by combining these two man card, we will get the number 760. 700 plus 60 plus 0. 760. What's my number? 502. 502 ones. By combining it together, we will get the number 502. 500 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 502. What's my number? 410, 5. Here I am having the 3 man card. 400, 1 tens and 5 ones. By combining it together, we will get the standard form of the number 415. Here some exercise from our Propel book. They have given here the expanded form of the number. We have to convert the number into the standard form. Children, see, here they have given the 3 man card. One for 100, 200, one for 10, 80, one for ones, 8. These 3 man card they have given. We have to form the standard form with the help of this expanded form. Then what we have to do? We have to overlap the cards on that. Now first of all we have to overlap the tens card here in place of tens. Here the 8 will come here on the tens place. Then 0 will come on the ones place. Here 80 will come. Then we have to overlap the ones card again on the ones place. Means that 8 will come here on the ones place. Then we will get the standard form of the number, that is 288. Like this. It will come here. 288. 288. Like these other examples you have to do at home. Okay children, hope you have understood the concept of man card to convert the expanded form into the standard form. Okay children, we will meet in the next session. Till that time, goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.